Welcome. In this breakdown, we're focusing on a component that may not grab attention until it fails, the fuel injection pump, specifically the 212-8559 model for the Caterpillar 3066 engine. If you operate machines like the Cat 320D, 320C, or 323D, this information is going to be essential. Let's walk through the essentials of what this part does, how to inspect it, verify its authenticity, prepare it for install, and maximize its performance. When it comes to diesel engines, the fuel injection pump is the precision tool behind power delivery. It controls how much fuel reaches the combustion chamber and when. It's the conductor of the engine's orchestra. If it's off by even a small margin, you'll feel the effects instantly. Weak performance, erratic fuel delivery, or sudden stalls often trace back to a faulty or miscalibrated pump. The 212-8559 fuel pump is specifically engineered to integrate with the Caterpillar 3066 engine, an engine widely used in mid-sized excavators and known for its durability. Because the engine powers multiple models, including the Cat 320D and 323D, this pump must meet high standards of compatibility and performance. Let's go through the process of evaluating a pump before installation. First step, visual and structural inspection. Always begin by analyzing the pump externally. Check for sharp, clean engravings and clear part numbers. The Cat 212-8559 should have its identifier etched in high-quality markings. The casing should be clean, free from casting defects, and uniform in finish. A genuine part will show consistency in every detail. Fake or poorly remanufactured pumps might have shallow or off-center engravings, uneven coating, or questionable packaging. Next, internal quality and build standards. Though you may not disassemble the pump entirely, it's important to know how it was reconditioned, if it was remanufactured. Ask for data on the process. Were components like plungers and springs replaced or just cleaned? Were wear components brought back to spec using OEM guidelines? A proper remanufactured pump will be completely overhauled with test certification included. And if it's new? Make sure it comes from a distributor who verifies their sourcing. A lot of what looks new in the aftermarket is often surplus stock or third-party knockoffs. Don't just take the box at face value. Verification through test data. Ask the seller to provide a test bench sheet. This data should show pressure output, timing control, flow rate at various RPMs, and leak down figures. A real, calibrated 212-8559 pump will perform within strict tolerances. If there's no test data, you're taking a risk, especially in an application where downtime is costly. Let's talk installation readiness. Before mounting the pump, ensure all mating surfaces are flat, clean, and ready to seal. Gaskets should be replaced, not reused. Use only approved sealants if specified by the manufacturer. Bolts should be torqued according to Caterpillar's service spec. Over-tightening can warp surfaces or crack casings. One critical part that gets overlooked is system priming. Air trapped in the lines after installation can lead to hard starts or injector damage. Use the manual priming pump if your system includes one, and bleed all air from the fuel rail before first ignition. After you install, monitor. Pay attention to idle smoothness, throttle response, load behavior, and fuel economy. A healthy fuel injection pump makes itself known quickly. The machine feels balanced, responsive, and efficient. Red flags to avoid post-installation. Hard starting after a proper bleed. Loud knocking or rough idle. White smoke indicating incomplete combustion. Poor throttle response or surging under load. If these appear, double-check your installation, timing marks, and fuel lines. Also verify that injector spray patterns are clean. Even a perfect pump can't compensate for faulty injectors. Let's move into sourcing and buyer protection. When purchasing a part like the 212-8559, supplier reputation is everything. Don't just shop by price, shop by credibility. Request documentation. Ask how the part is stored, shipped, and tested. If they can't provide these, walk away. You're looking for